Josh Hacker with Cable Dahmer Buick GMC. Let's talk about your vehicle's engine air filter. The engine air filter does exactly what it sounds like. It filters out the impurities in the air that can be harmful to your engine. As the filter picks up more dirt and debris, it becomes clogged. This affects the efficiency at which the air moves through the filter, which in turn causes a dip in fuel economy. GM recommends replacing the air filter every 4 years or 45,000 miles, but depending on driving condition, your filter could need to be replaced considerably sooner than that. Here at Cable Dahmer Buick GMC, we'll check your filter condition on every visit as part of our complimentary 27-point inspection. Come in today and mention you saw this video to receive $5 off the replacement of your air filter.